Hi there. I just finished a nice relaxing day at the beach and heading back to St. George's to grab some drinks with friends and family. We're driving from Grand Anse to St. George's. Quick note, we're driving a pickup truck and the roads are a bit bumpy, so I apologize in advance for some of the bumpy footage. We're driving along Grand Anse during rush hour, which can get quite busy. This part of the island have seen a lot of development in the last couple of years, in particular Sandals, Grenada and Silver Sands Hotel. The downside of development is traffic congestion. Now entering Laguna Road, home to Port Louis Marina and the Grenada Yacht Club. I gotta say, this is one of my favorite drives in Grenada. It's quite scenic, so enjoy. We are now entering the middle of St. George's, the capital of Grenada. As I said, public transit is easily accessible. We are about to go past the bus terminal where you can get a bus to other parts of the island, such as Granville. As As you can see, it's a Friday after work. The city is alive and vibrant. St. George's is also a popular tourist destination. The town has developed in the recent years whilst preserving its history and culture. The market is quite vibrant. It's also a great place to grab some spices, souvenirs, craft, or sometimes just to come and hang out. I'm about to grab a drink and relax. Thanks for watching.
Why did you come still?